Today, at the old scrap market, I came across this neglected, rust-covered frying pan. It looks like an ordinary, unusable kitchen tool, but it is a precious, historic American treasure. Today, we will restore it to its former glory, so follow along with me as we go through the steps of this transformation. When we turn the pan over, we notice old stamps covered in thick layers of dirt. This is the logo of the famous Griswold company, which manufactured the best cookware in history. This rare piece dates back to the early 20th century and is worth thousands of dollars at auctions. The secret to the quality of old frying pans lies in their smooth interior surface, hand-polished to a silky finish. Modern pans are rough and frustrating, whereas these vintage pieces prevent food from sticking. Traditional craftsmanship is irreplaceable, and that is why we put in this effort. We begin by completely submerging the pan in a bath of white vinegar and warm water. This acidic solution helps break down rust particles that have accumulated over decades. We will leave it for several hours until this worn-out orange coating completely dissolves off the iron. Now, we use the coarse metal wire to scrub the surface vigorously and completely remove the remaining rust. Then we place it in the vinegar bath to lift the rust. It requires significant physical effort, but seeing the authentic gray iron makes it worth the trouble. All external imperfections gradually disappear, revealing a pure and exceptionally strong metal once again. We wash the pan thoroughly with cold water and soap to remove any remaining impurities. Then, we place it directly over a hot burner to dry off the moisture and prevent rust from forming. The pan must be completely dry and hot before starting the next step of oiling. We place a few drops of pure grapeseed oil on the hot, bare surface. Then, we buff it in to create a deep, protective seasoning. We use a cloth to spread this oil evenly over every corner of the pan. Feel the metal absorbing it, watch the color shift to that beautiful semi-gloss. That's the craft right there. Then, we thoroughly wipe away the excess oil, leaving behind only a perfect, ultra-thin, microscopic layer. We now place the pan upside down inside a very hot oven to begin the carbonization process. Under high heat, the thin layer of oil will transform into a hard, natural plastic-like coating. We leave it for a full hour so that this first layer hardens and adheres firmly to the iron. After repeating this process 5 times, we see the stunning and beautiful result before us today. The dull gray iron transformed into a deep glossy black, resembling pieces of fine glass. The frying pan is now fully protected and ready to serve future generations for another century. The time has now come to conduct the real and most important test to determine the efficiency of this new surface. We place a single egg in the hot pan to see how smoothly it slides. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.